Hey there, today I will tell you about how to get an invoice from Fashion Nova. An invoice is a document that requests payment for goods or services that have been provided. It's also known as a bill. The quantity of goods or service provided, the rate charged, the total cost, a description of the transaction, and when and how the customer should pay. It's included there. So how you can get it from Fashion Nova if you buy things from them? So for this, first go to fashionnova.com and then just log into your account. Then go to your profile icon from here. Then just select my orders. You have to log in first. Since I don't have any orders, so here you will see your orders from this section, and just click on these orders which you want to get in an invoice. Just click on it, you will see the option invoice. There is another way to get it. Just select help center from here. Then just you can track your order, or you can help with your order. Just select it and enter your order number, email, and then select continue. And that's how you can get invoice from Fashion Nova.